What a week it's been in the market. Whether you are here to learn from the wins or from the losses, you are in the right place. Let's jump into a full review of my last week trades. Greetings, everyone. I'm Jess9FX, and today I'm breaking down the trades I made last week. We'll go over each one and see what worked and what didn't. Let's start with trades I took. This is my MT4, and these are the trades I took last week. I took Euro AUD loss, AUD CSF loss, Euro AUD again loss, NJD CSF loss, Pound Yen loss, BTC able to close it immediately, but it's still a loss. NJD card, yeah, end at break even. AUD card still end at break even, but took some close profit. So I deposit 9.27 euros, and I able to lose the account to 4 euros, and NJD card and AUD card was the first trades I make huge amount of profit, grow the account almost to 20 euros before the account retraced back and closed me at break even. Euro card, Euro USD, all were losses. So right now I'm still holding some profit on USD CSF and Euro card, and as you can see, the account is in 5.93 and the equity is 16.30. So you can see some retracements happening currently. Eurocard is going back bullish after retracing to this low, while USD CSF is still dropping. I don't know if it will close me at break even, but I don't think so. I don't think so. So let's see from next week. Then let's go to my template and let's see. So these are the trade. I think I started from August 5th. That is when I took NJD card, and yes, NJD card shorts. This were the analysis. You can see I made this analysis 1:03 a.m. That is middle of the night. We don't sleep. You work hard, man. So you can see the analysis on NZD card, and you can see the entry level. You see the entry level, and you see the 4-hour entry level. Guys, this was my first trade. I'll show you everything. I'll show you everything. This was my first trade that I make profit. When I wake up with profit. And this is the analysis of AUD card. You can see AUD card, high probability setup. Let's go to August 7 and NAS 100 shorts and Euro USD. Actually, I didn't take any trade on NAS 100. I took a buy limit setup on Euro USD. You can see the analysis. You can see the 12-month time frame. I was looking for some buy setup, and you can see the reason I was buying Euro USD, and you can see the area of entry target. Actually, I didn't take this trade also because I don't know. I thought the market was running away from me. So what I did was I went and took at an higher level. I will break down everything to you. Stay tuned. And then this is the 9-hour time frame where I took the buy setup, clearly still seen, and this is at 4 hour. So that was August 7th. I didn't took any trade of that on August 7th, but I made the analysis. I will show you. And then on August 8th, on August 8th, I I took a trade on Eurocard long setup. It is only Eurocard today. As you can see, let me show you Eurocard long setup. I'm still holding the long setup on Eurocard, which is this one. This one, you can see we are still in profit of 10 euros, more than the amount I deposited. So you can see we are still holding the longs on Eurocard. I'm still holding the longs on Eurocard. I love swing trading, man. I enjoyed it. So look at where I took the buy setup of Eurocard. So, so let's go to August. Now we are okay. We just review August 8th, and so we are going for August 9th. I didn't took any trade on August 9th, so let's go to August 12th. 9 and 10, where there was no analysis. I think that is okay. That was other week. So this is the new week. So this week I made an analysis on Pound Yen, NJD card, and HKD JPY and NUK JPY. So they were all long buyers, and none of them I took none of them. None of them. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. Pound yen long buyers, price didn't came back, so price kept on moving forward. And then NJD card long buyers, price keep on moving forward. But now price is at as my entry level. Let me show you. So mark this area when I show you the live analysis. Mark this area. Price keep on moving forward. I thought price will not come back again, but price did came back and triggered our entry. But already we have deleted the buy limit, so it was just that's all. And then HKD JPY keep on moving forward, and NUK JPY also keep on moving forward and didn't retrace. So that is for the August 12th, starting of the week. And then let's go to, I want to show you every of my analysis, their screenshots. And then let's go to August 14th. August 14th. USD CHF long bias. You can see this is the long bias on my long on USD CHF, which I'm currently holding. This was the 18-hour time frame. And 12-hour USD CHF. I'm still holding the longs. And then 4 hour, I think it'll be 6 hour. Yeah. So let's go to August 15th. I don't know, but it's not moving again. August 15, I was looking at, I took losses on them. That was a punch yourself, end up pushing forward. So, but I will still look at punch yourself next week. So end up pushing forward and it didn't retrace. So let's go to the live analysis where we'll look at the details. So let's go to the live analysis. So Euro NZD didn't took any trade, but I was just looking at some buys and price didn't came back. It was pushing forward, so this is where I was looking the buys and price will keep moving. Oh my god. So price didn't came back and was pushing forward. And then price retrace again, and then but I'm not on this trade. I'm not taking I didn't take any trade on NJDUSD. I just made the analysis. And then on pound CSF, you can see price didn't retrace and then kept pushing forward. But I think that pound CSF is in a strong retracement formation. As you can see, I believe price could be retracing to this level and then push back up. That's what I'm calling that. I just see that it's coming down here and then push back up. So let's see why something like that could occur. So if we look at it here, price has reached a strong level, and let's go to the three days time frame. I didn't see any reason, so price has reached a strong level to retrace. Many people might call this level a support.
support, and then price remain risk area of resistance and then retreat. I don't look at that. I don't look at I'm not a resistance and support trader or this or that, but when I'm conducting my analysis, I also like reminding myself. But I don't normally. That is not my. I'm only looking at one candle in my analysis. My strategy is based on one candle, and that candle has made me be a profitable trader. All right, let's go to the 2 day time frame. So this is the reason I said price might retreat to that level, and then let's go to the daily time frame. So that's what I'm seeing, and I think this will be the area where, let me mark it out. This will be the area. I think this will be the area for price to reach and then drop and then push back up. Reach here, drop and then push back up. So that is the area. So that is the reason I will be looking at pound itself by next week. And then so I want to look at a fresh chart by next week. Then let's go to German 40. It's also I was also looking at buys on German 40, but price didn't retrace and I kept pushing forward. That is it, bro. Price I was looking at, you can see I was looking at buys and price didn't retrace, and it was almost, I missed this entry. I didn't miss any entry. It just that price didn't retrace to my level and then kept pushing forward. You can see the area, the differences, and you can see that price kept pushing forward. Then since after I noticed that price isn't retracing to my level, so I didn't care to look at it again. So I just gave up the analysis. I don't care. I just focus on other analysis, and many reasons why I didn't like taking a lot of trades, but just doing my analysis, my forecasting, breaking down the analysis is because one reason is my account is still low and I don't want to end up over trading and then losing the account. So that is why I keep myself simple, always reminding myself that the account is still low and I need to do some proper risk management. But I'm still good, still good. So you can see it has hit the take profit. Assuming this entry triggered me, this will have closed me in a good take profit. But well, maybe till the next time. And then let's go to, these are trades I didn't take, so I won't break them down. But the ones I will break them down for you to understand clearly. So let's go to USD CSF, which I'm currently holding. So I'm currently holding USD CSF. So let's go to like higher time frame. Let's first go to the daily time frame. So as you can see, I already show you the analysis, the screenshots on my journal on USD CSF. Let me show you again. I think I haven't deleted my Notion. Let's go to my Notion template and just trading workshop. So I think it's August 8th. Okay, August 12th. August 12th. Let me check August 12th. No, not August 12th. It will be on August 8th. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, August 8th. Euro card only. I'm looking for my USD CSF trade. August 14th, August 12th, August 14th. Okay, look at the analysis. You can see the analysis. My screenshot on USD CSF. And see price is still dropping. Like for some people at this level, they will like, hey, yo, you have to close this trade, man. You can see our market is dropping seriously. So you can see where I took the entry, and let me show you the screenshots. Oh, come on, you too like it. Refreshments. So let's go to like lower time frame. Nice. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. So this is my 4 hour on USD self analysis, and you can see the trade. You can see the analysis. You can see the trade. So I don't know if I will close this trade or not, but I'm still looking at it. If I to be able to close this trade, I will close this trade. And price is dropping massively, so I don't know, but let's go to higher time frame, like the 2 weeks time frame. So I want to break down USD itself. Do you think, though, first of all, the overall structure on the 12-month time frame, the overall structure of USD CSF is bearish, and I already know that, and I said to myself that USD CSF is bearish, so I should be looking at sales. But when I moved down, I saw that USD CSF is in an area of a retracement, so I could have closed this trade. I think I suppose I've closed this trade because I see that price is dropping. So now I'm on my phase two. Let's go to the daily day time frame, and you can see where I took this buy setup, and price triggered me in, and then you can see price is so I was thinking of closing this trade at this area here. USD CSF at this area here, so I'm still currently looking at that. And then let's go to the daily. So here we see that first of all, price is in a strong retracement for me. Price is in a strong retracement, and 3 days time frame, 2 days time frame. So I still believe that price is in a strong retracement, and I still believe that price will go back bullish. But before it will do that, maybe it might stop me out, or it might end me in break even before pushing back out, because I can see price might retrace at my entry level. But I see my candles, and I see that this is just a retracement, because let me remove this. I see that this is just a retracement, but this is where I want to close. But if I see that price is retracing strongly, I might remove this, my take profit area, and then hold USD itself. But overall, the structure is bearish. From the phase one to phase two shows bearish, but phase three phase one is showing bearish, but phase two showing some sign of bullish formation. So that is why I took the buy setup. And then as you can see over here, let's go to the 12 hour time frame, and you can see this is the area I believe that price will push back up. This is the area. What I mean is this is the area I believe that price may push back up over this area, back to this upside over this area. I believe that price will push back up over this area. This is the area I'm currently looking at that price will has reached and is able to push back up to the upside. And this is just a retracement. So this is what I'm still currently looking at USDC itself. And let me confirm it. Okay. So it's clearly written that this is the area price may push back up. And then on the daily time frame it's clearly seen, and then the 9 hour time frame is clearly seen, and then but there's still one thing is that I'm afraid of, which is this candle formation. This candle formation shows that it might or it might not. But let's see how it will go about on next week. But if it happen to break below here, then or maybe it might just come back here and then push back up. While this will just be an area of what liquidity. Why this should now be an area, why this level will now be an area of liquidity, but sometimes price may come down here and then keep pushing forward to the upside. Let's go to the 6 hour time frame. And then many things still make me believe that price may not. It's when I see, let me remove this one. It's when I see that this candle and this area of equilibrium candle shows that no. I have to close this trade. This is a clear sign that USDC itself will drop after I see that this candle is. So because of this candle, the next candle will by next week, the first thing that will happen is price will retrace to somewhere this level, drop, and then push back up. That's what I'm saying. So what did I mean? What I mean is first of all, we see some push to the upside like this, and then drop to this low, and then push back up. Or I won't confirm anything serious on say holding this trade, but you can see where I took the trade. You can see the entry level. Currently, price moved to 119 pips in profits before dropping again. And then in this area, like as you can see, price will retrace to this candle, drop to somewhere this low before pushing back up, or it will just keep on dropping and then took me out on break even. But that is fine. That's fine. As a swing trader, I don't mind. I'm serious. As a swing trader, I don't mind. So, uh, so we'll look at it by next week. Many things still told me that it's very hard for price to now. Many things. This candle here shows a dominant sign What is happening now? This candle here shows a dominant sign that price will just reach here, move back up, reach here, move back up, drop below, then push to the upside. So, but the structure is bearish. So sometimes, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I will update you guys by next week. So if I see that price is pulling back, reach here, show some sign of strength here, then I will, you know what, I will do something. So if I see price push here, show some sign of strength under this downside, and then I will now notice that okay, this downside strength shows that as after price reaching here, it will now return back to him for retracement and then keep pushing back up. That's what. Then I will not. I will definitely delete this take profit area and then keep my long position. Keep holding the position, but overall the structure is bearish and this area has shown me some sign of a lot of things. So I'm still looking at the movement in the markets. By next week we'll see more on this trade. So I'm still holding it. Currently is this is this is it I'm holding. So this is the trade. I'm still holding this trade. Just a little profit. Some people might think, this is a demo account. Though I'm not, bro. I'm not trading demo account. I hear that thing. So let me show you. It's a real XNES real account. I'll drop the link below. If you want to sign up, you can sign up with the link on the description. So you can see I'm still holding the trade. And then I'm looking at, let's go to other of the analysis. I took many losses. The reason why those heavy losses, like those heavy losses, let me show you what I mean. The reason why you see these heavy 70 cent losses, 66, 1, 2, these losses is because I was definitely trading fundamental analysis. Though I was like mixing both together, looking at the values of currencies, countries, and looking at the value and undervalue and values of currencies. So, but even if I see that this country is booming, even if it's not booming, but they hold their interest rates, keeping their interest rate high, all those things, I still see that it doesn't give me any bias that I should be longing or I should be shorting. Because even if I see that Euro hasn't cut any rates, while AUD is planning to cut rates, and then if I try to buy, I will still end up in losses. So that is why I said, okay, let me stop reading fundamental analysis and just go on with the structure of the trend and look at my bias in the market. And that is how I'll be able to now grow my account back to this level. As you can see, I'm still positive, holding 10.37 euros. Like I didn't take any screenshot before. You can see the movement before. When the movement was at this, it was every trade of Euro card was at 11 points something euros, while USD was at 10 point something euros. So I was currently or 20 something euros. But now price is retracing. That is why you are seeing 16.30 euros in profit. So well, it's not bad. It's not bad. I really love it. So let's go to analysis. I did many analysis, and I didn't take any trade on them. I did a lot analysis. They are a lot. Like every pair you are seeing here, I have done analysis with them. Only the only US oil and UK oil. Those were the ones that I didn't make any analysis. Pairs like let's go to NJD card. So NJD card, I already showed you. I told you that price will come back to that area based on many reasons, and this is I already show you that on the analysis. So you can see NJD card. This is where NJD card took me out on break even. They were the first trade that I make profit. This this was what I was looking at on NJD card, and then price boom, and then took me out on. You can see I was still holding it until price took me out on break even. So I kept my break even trade here, and then before price came and took me out on break even, which you are seeing. So that is for NJD card, and then AED card, the same thing. Let me show you. Come on, what's happening? Okay, so AED card, the same thing. I think this was a level. For the AED card. But AED card, I think this was a level. This was where this is where I took the sell. You can see the sell bias is still there on AED card, but price took me out. The sell bias on AED card is still there, but price took me out on break even, and then started consolidating, and all of a sudden it now drop again. So that's for AED card, and then let's go to BTC USD. I didn't take any trade. I made the analysis, but I didn't take any trade. So BTC, I did the analysis. Come on. Oh, okay. Well, I was confused. Yes, now this is where I took the sell. Yes, I was confused. So this is where I look at This is where I took the entry of AUD card. This is where I took the entry of AUD card, and then price dropped, came back. This is where it stopped me at break even, and then it stopped me at break even over this level, this area here, and then price kept on then. And after that, I also looked for some buys on AUD card, but I didn't take the trade, so price ended up retracing, and then now it's pushing forward after seeing that it's a bullish trend. Then I look at BTC USD sales. So I was thinking of selling BTC USD somewhere here. So and then I later realized that no, it is at this level. So before I noticed it, price has already reached and then started dropping. So I didn't care about this anymore. And then price came back retracing, and now you can see some bullish buyers. So by next week, I'm looking for some buys on BTC USD. Next week, I'm looking for some buys on BTC USD. Then looking at Euro, no, didn't take any trade on Euro AED. So pound yen is still bullish. Price, this is as I already showed you, but price didn't came anyway to take to got me an entry, and then price keep on pushing forward. So by next week, I'm also looking to sell pound yen from this high to this level again, and then look for the buys. That is it on pound yen, and then um Euro USD. I already showed you Euro USD. Euro USD was this is yes. I was trying to I already show you Euro USD on the weekly outlook. The screenshot of Euro USD. This is I showed you that this is where I was looking Euro USD and Nasdaq screenshot. This is where I was looking at the buys of what Euro USD. But the reason I took a loss on Euro USD was I thought price is pushing forward at this level, so I went and took some buys. I went and took some buys over here, and then end up end up taking losses while I've deleted my buy limits. Over this area. So after price hit my stop loss, price dropped to my buy limit where I've deleted, and then keep pushing forward. As you can see, USD buys are still active. So by next week, I'm also looking at USD buys on this area here. So I'm looking at USD buys on this area. So a lot is still happening in the market. A lot of opportunities. You just need to focus on your strategy. Don't be moving around looking for which strategy is profitable or not. This is my own strategy. I won't break it down very well for you, but I hope you understand. So let's go to EuroCard. So you can see this is my buys on EuroCard, and then now I'm still holding the trade. So I'll hold this trade. You can see my area of take profit. So I'll hold this trade till thy kingdom. I wanted to do the same thing on Euro USD, but I was impatient, and price took my stop loss on Euro USD. So since when I noticed that, I kept my buys on Euro card, and I'm still holding Euro card. Long still looking to take some buys by next week. So that is for all the trades, and I'm so happy that my account is in a good area. So by next week, I'll grow my account to more than this level. So stay with me in this video. Stay with, just subscribe, and that's it. Trade scorecard, which is my journal on NGD card and AUD card. I took an entry price. This is NGD card. Took an entry date was 5. Entry price was entry exit price was this. Position size, stop loss, take profits, entry type, low risk, reason for trade, high probability, scaling, no. Result 46.4%. Outcome was win. So I've already showed you. So this was it on the, you can see on NGD card. This is it. The same to AUD card. So, and then complete scorecard for every trade taken. So entry timing and rating was 8. Explanation: enter the trade at a good time, closely following the 18-hour power block. The exit timing: exited by a trailing stop as price retraced back to entry point. Understand? Position sizing was 10. Position size accurately in line with the account balance. Yes. And then follow the strategy very closely, but big structure reading mistaken. So I didn't read the structure very well. That is why I took the loss. They managed risks effectively with well placed stop loss and a trailing stop. I felt psychological factors. I felt confident, and when setting the limits, other as was I took this trade at midnight. Emotional state during exit: slightly anxious during the exit as price retraced back to trading stop. Confidence level: I had a high confidence when I woke up and saw that my €4 is now €18. You understand what I mean? But I end up breaking even. So it came back to €6. Yeah, €6. Discipline explanation: maintain discipline throughout the trade, but I felt weak as I got stopped out by trailing stop as price retraced. Manage emotion well with some anxiety toward the end. Daily to 18-hour correlated with 18-hour power block confirmed to short as very structural. Entry was the setup clear? Yes. Was where rule followed? Yes. What went well? Entry was timely and followed the strategy. After seeing very structure forming and risk was managed effectively. What could be improved? Structural reading. You understand? I'm still in, like, I still need to understand the structure of a trend, the structure of some movement. So structural reading, candlestick formation, and after analyzing, rewatch the video to confirm more. So every of my analysis, what I did is I make sure if I'm doing analysis, I record a video of my analysis and I'll later watch it again to know that, not to know that maybe some areas I'm looking at are wrong or right. So overall, a well-executed trade with a small areas for improvement on structural reading and candlestick formation understanding. So solid trade with good adherence to strategy and risk management, slight improvement needed. And then this is the journal entry for the trade description. The market was bearish today with clear confirmation followed. Key factors from phase 1 leading to phase 3, the bearish structure clearly seen. Market trend, okay, playbook, daily to 18-hour correlation and 18-hour power block was clearly seen. Patterns: I identified 2 hour to 1 hour correlation decision candle in the same area of interest. So execution: trade short NGD card entered on 0.82614 and exit at 0.82526. Trade to short AED card entered on 0.93 and exit at. So reasoning and strategy: trade 1 entered short on NGD card due to very structural reading and a clear 18-hour power block. Entered AED card due to the same formation. Trade 1 entry was timely, followed 18-hour, the same as the one. So felt confident after seeing 18-hour power block, but forgot to understand the overall structure, which led to the retracement that stopped me out. So mistakes: didn't know the real direction of the trend and entered at a pullback thinking that is the main direction of the trend. Lesson: be patient and rewards every analysis video for clear confirmation. Overall performance: enter the day positive, ahead to the strategy on the both trade, but need to improve structure reading, candlestick formation, and be patient also to reward the analysis video to confirm my entry and exit area. Positive aspect: good adherence to strategy and a trailing stop. Need to improve structural reading, phase 1 to 3, and candlestick formation. So this were an NGD card. This was my first trade that gave me the confidence that yeah, I am a profitable trader. So that is it.
And there you have it. All the trades of last week and other weeks. You can see the outcome, the lessons learned, the structure, and things I'm still expecting next week. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But there are a lot of things like this are coming more. So yeah, bye.